Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the tantalizing world of Egyptian cuisine. But it's not just any dish. We're going to uncover the unknown facts about Egyptian bechamel pasta. You might be familiar with traditional Italian pasta, but Egyptian bechamel pasta is a whole new world of flavor. So, stick around as we unravel its fascinating history and unique twists. But first, let's travel back in time. Did you know that the origins of bechamel sauce can be traced back to France in the 17th century? It was initially created by chef François-Louis Bechamel for King Louis XIV. The sauce made its way to Egypt during the period of French colonization in the 19th century. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, bechamel pasta. In Egypt, it's a beloved comfort food, often enjoyed at family gatherings and special occasions. What makes it stand out is its creamy, dreamy bechamel sauce that coats the pasta perfectly. The key ingredients of Egyptian bechamel pasta are pretty straightforward. You'll need pasta of your choice, typically penne or macaroni, and for the bechamel sauce, you'll need butter, flour, milk, and a pinch of nutmeg. But here's the twist: Egyptians often add a touch of Middle Eastern flavor by incorporating a hint of ground cinnamon into the bechamel sauce. It gives it a unique, warm aroma and taste. Let's get cooking. Boil your pasta until it's al dente, then set it aside. In a separate pan, melt butter, add flour, and whisk until it turns a light golden brown. Gradually add milk while continuing to whisk, ensuring no lumps form. Don't forget that pinch of nutmeg and a dash of cinnamon. Once your sauce is creamy, pour it over the pasta and bake until it's golden brown on top. And voila! You've got yourself a delicious plate of Egyptian bechamel pasta. But it's not just about the taste. Egyptian bechamel pasta carries cultural significance. In Egypt, it's often served during Ramadan and other festive occasions, symbolizing the warmth of family gatherings and the joy of sharing meals with loved ones. The blend of flavors, the creamy sauce, and that hint of cinnamon, it's what brings people together. Unique variations, but wait, there's more. Egyptian bechamel pasta isn't limited to just one version. While the classic recipe we just shared is a favorite, there are also regional variations. In Alexandria, for example, they love to add seafood, like shrimp or calamari, making it a mouth-watering seafood bechamel pasta. Down south in Luxor, it's not uncommon to find a spicy twist with a dash of chili pepper. These regional variations showcase the diversity of Egyptian cuisine. Today, we're trying a special twist seafood bechamel pasta. The creamy sauce combined with the freshness of seafood is a match made in culinary heaven. You'll need shrimp, calamari, and a bit of white fish. Sauté them in garlic and olive oil, then incorporate this seafood delight into your bechamel sauce. It's a culinary journey that will transport you to the Mediterranean coast of Egypt. Now, let's talk about some of the health benefits of Egyptian bechamel pasta. Contrary to what you might think, this dish can be nutritious when prepared with whole grain pasta and a balanced bechamel sauce. The nutmeg and cinnamon not only add flavor but also have potential health benefits, such as aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Now, let me share a pro tip with you. To make your bechamel pasta even more delectable, consider using a blend of cheeses like mozzarella and parmesan on top before baking. This adds a cheesy, golden crust that's irresistible. Ah, the aroma of bechamel pasta baking in the oven is simply divine. And don't forget about presentation. Egyptians take great pride in the way they serve their bechamel pasta. It's often garnished with fresh parsley or basil, adding a burst of color and freshness to the dish. There you have it, folks, the unknown facts of Egyptian bechamel pasta. Its rich history, unique ingredients, and cultural significance make it a must-try dish for anyone exploring Egyptian cuisine. If you found this video fascinating, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures from around the world. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep cooking and exploring. And now, it's time to dig into this scrumptious plate of Egyptian bechamel pasta. Join me next time for another food journey you won't want to miss. Goodbye, foodies.